this video I'm going to introduce this Afro Kinky Straight. I already make the ponytail for this. Is the U-part Kinky Straight, this one. But first, I want you guys to pay attention to this very kinky straight, and you can see any short hair on the top, on the crown here, and it's the U part here, U part, this one. And I want you guys to feel the texture and follow my fingers when I put my fingers in the hair and comb it, brush it, and you feel it's very smooth, very nice, because we use the 100% virgin hair, the single donor hair, to make this U-part. Let me take this band out first, and you can see like this. It's very natural. And this hair wig is for our high class girls, and every day we're making it this way. Okay, you follow my fingers when it's very natural to match your own hair like this. Can you feel that? I'm not sure if you can feel this texture. It's very kinky straight like this one. And we strip this hair, this wig, to some celebrity singers and famous ladies. And also some ladies we wear this wig to go to the nightclubs. And the smell is very good. I like it. If I am the man to date a girl, I definitely would choose a lady wear this kind of wig. It's very natural and you can feel the quality. This is very clean. This so actually you will benefit more if you wear the high class quality wigs and hair. You definitely will benefit more from the man who you are going to date with. Trust me, like this one. And I'm going to comb the wig to show you this. This one. Okay. So I comb inside from inside like this one. Yeah, this one. Definitely the highest class hair. This. And you guess what? This wig is just the 18-inch. It's 18-inch, and you tell me, hey guys, look, it's very full body. This one. How many bundles? You guess how many bundles we make this U-part with Kinky Straight with how many bundles? It's only 2 bundles, 18-inch. Only 2 bundles, 18-inch. So you can feel the volume. This. So I just show you. Let me show you this part to make the ponytail with this one. Okay, this one. Then this one. So if the hair is longer, it comes to here, and the ponytail will be more beautiful like this. It's only 18-inch, 2 bundles. We make this U-part Kinky Straight wigs. This show you this one. It's very natural. You can see it's very flat, but it's the flat, but meanwhile it's very kinky straight. It's very flat and it's very kinky straight. Like this is natural to match your own hair. Afro kinky straight like this one. It's very smooth. You see, very smooth. If I am the man who's going to date with you, I feel like touching your hair, every minute. And this one, you see. And remember, it's only 2 bundles volume to make this Kinky Straight part wig. And let me tell you once a little bit tips. So before you order the wigs from other vendors, you ask them how many grams of the wigs or how many bundles to make the wigs, because some other vendors normally will use like 1 bundles and a half bundle to make the wigs and make the price lower, and they will call the price to the clients, and the client will say, oh, this price, okay, it's good, it's very low, yeah, I like it, but they never think about the quality material and the weight, because once we use less material, less hair, it means the cost is less, so that means you definitely will know the result, and of course you also need to consider the volume. And I'm going to wait this week. Okay, and we also add the elastic band for you, and this one. This one we use. I need to show you. Okay, this one. Let's see how many grams. This one, 2 bundles volume, so it's the 200 grams, more than 200 grams like this. So you see, a lot of ladies, they don't know how to purchase the right wigs or the right quality, and this quality hair you can cover it. You still can cover it. It's very perfect. This one. Can I? Maybe this one, I'll show you.
呢條嘢唔係後邊。
This one, and you can like this. Okay, so this U part, this one, and even I'm the man, I love touching the texture of this hair. It's very soft, natural. It's natural to match your own hair. And when the weather is very hot, you can make a point on this one, like this one. Because this wig is 18-inch. So when it comes to long age, it will be much better than this one. So you look at here. I recommend this one. This one. So subscribe my channel, and we will show you more style hair and teach you how to choose the right hair. I will see you in the next video. Perfect.